Okay, we're going to get started and practice addition and subtraction, double digit. This is our 2.3 unit review. Let's get started. So first off, go ahead and write down the problem, 87 minus 23. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to look at this problem and you're going to want to decide if you can use the pull down strategy. So you look at the number in the ones place, the 7, and if you can do 7 take away 3, then you can use pull down. So if I have 7, can I get rid of 3? The answer is yes. So go ahead and start solving this problem using the pull down strategy. Okay, you should be done by now. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the answer is. I'll start in the ones place. I have 7 minus 3, and that is 4. I have 80 minus 20, and that is 60. I'll put those two numbers together, and the answer is 64. Okay, let's take a look at the next problem. Go ahead and write down 45 plus 29, and you can use any strategy you want, but I'm just going to remind you that the pull down strategy for addition is the fastest, easiest, and most efficient way to get your answer. Go ahead and solve the problem. Okay, let's take a look at what the answer is. I'm going to go ahead and start with the 5 and the 9. That's in the ones place. When I add those together, it's 14. Now I'll go ahead and I'll go to the tens place. I'll add the 40 and the 20, and that's 60. Right away, I can see that I see a red alert here. I'll take that 10 and push it over to the 60. 60 is now 70, and 14 is now 4. And here's where I get my final answer. 70 and 4 is 74. Go ahead and write down this problem, 17 plus 12 plus 20 plus 13, and solve it any way you'd like. Okay, I'm going to go with the fastest, quickest, and most efficient way. That's the pull down strategy. I'll go ahead and grab all the numbers in the ones place. I've got a 7 and a 2, and a 0 and a 3. I'm going to go ahead and I always like to see if I can make a 10. I see a 10 right here. I see a 7 and a 3, that's 10. 0, that stays at 10. And 2 more, 10 and 2 is 12. So I have 12 there. Now I'll go ahead to the tens place. I have 10, 10, 20, and 10. So 10 and 10, 20. 20 and 20, 40. 40 and 10, 50. Now I see a red alert. I'll get that 10, push it to the tens place. 50 is now 60, and 12 is now 2. I have my final answer, 62. There you go. Okay, go ahead and solve for 82 minus 38. If you're able to use pull down, use it. If not, pick a different strategy. All right, hopefully you were smart enough to see that you cannot use pull down for this problem because you cannot have 2 and get rid of 8. So I would go ahead and I'd make an open number line. I'd start with the number 38 and I would jump up to the number 82. So I'll start at 38. I'll get to my next friendly 10. That's 40. That was 2 jumps. I'm at 40. I'll go to 80. From 40 to 80, that's 40. And from 80 to 82, my last jump, that's 2. So now I'll go ahead and in my head, I added 2 and a 2. That's 4. 4 and 40 is 44. There you go. Erase and get ready for the next problem. Go ahead and write down 76 minus 42. Look at it and decide if you can use the pull down strategy. And if you can use it, otherwise use a different one. Go ahead and get started. All right, now I can see that I can use the pull down strategy for this problem. 6 minus 2 is 4. 70 minus 40 is 30. And now I've got my answer, 34. That was easy. I love the pull down when I can use it. Clear your board. Let's get ready for the next problem. 68 minus 27. Decide if you can use pull down. Use it if you can, or use a different strategy. Good luck. All right. Pull down strategy works. There's no regrouping. So here I go. 8 minus 7 is 1. 60 minus 20 is 40. Put the two numbers together. 41 is the answer. That was easy, fast, quick, and efficient. I'm awesome. I hope you are too. Here's our last problem, 26 plus 26 plus 14. Solve it any way you'd like. Okay, here we go. I'm using the most efficient strategy I know. Pull down. 10s and 1s. So here I go. I'm going to grab the 6 and the 6 and the 4. Ooh, there's a 10 right there. There's 10 and 6 more is 16. Now I'm going to grab 20 and 20. That's 40. I have 40, 40 and another 10. That's 50. All together, I have 50. Yes, I see it. Red alert. Grab that 10, push it over. 50 is now 60. And 16 is now 6. I get my final answer, 66. Boom. I bet you are doing an amazing job on this. It's so easy. We're gonna just be awesome at adding and subtracting. You guys got this.